Premium appliances play a significant role in the overall design and flow of the kitchen. Today, we're in the AjMadison Brooklyn showroom, the first place to start when searching for the perfect luxury cooking appliances. Whether a seasoned chef or an aspiring culinary arts enthusiast, the right appliances will bring homemade meals to the next level. Let's get started with 6 tips and tricks when choosing appliances that are right for your kitchen. Tip 1. Find your perfect match. Appliances are a key ingredient to creating a kitchen that serves your design and lifestyle needs. When it comes to appliance selection, consider your cooking style, favorite dishes, and recipes first. A question we often get is a range or a cooktop and oven a better fit for my needs? Ranges centralize all cooking to one area in the kitchen. They are less expensive and easier to replace, and they make a beautiful focal point in the kitchen. Cooktop and wall oven configurations separate cooking and baking stations in the kitchen, making it easier for multiple people to prepare food simultaneously. Wall ovens can be mounted at any height for easy access. The variety of cooktop and oven configurations allows you to perfectly meet any culinary and entertaining aspirations. Pro ranges offer powerful surface burners, multiple oven configurations, touchscreen interfaces with intuitive guided cooking, and craftsmanship in every detail. Tip 2. Customization. Now that we're better equipped to choose the right appliance, let's take a deeper dive into the power of choice. With a multitude of individual options, AjMadison invites clients to select an appliance to fit their needs and lifestyle. Choose from a range of color and finish selections to go beyond aesthetics and specify appliance features and modalities that make cooking more convenient and intuitive. Recently, brands have dedicated their focus towards built-in benefits that save space and are multi-purpose. Think pro-style ranges with multiple burner configurations, including a built-in grill, griddle, powerful wok, induction surface, or built-in oven modes like air fry, sous vide, microwave, steam, or warming modes for extra flexibility. Tip 3. Induction cooktops and ranges. You might have heard about induction, but are you aware of its game-changing cooking benefits? Induction cooktops use electromagnetism to excite the molecules in your pots and pans, which creates heat and cooks your food. The process works instantaneously, so your pan will create heat in seconds. This rapid response can save up to 50% off your average cook times. Induction also heats the cookware, not the glass, which means that the surface is far less likely to cause burns. It's a great option if you live with young children or aging family members. When cooking with induction, simply wipe them down with a cloth. And because induction cooktops are smart, the appliance can sense a boil over, and it will turn the cooktop off automatically. For even easier cleanup, you can place a towel under your cookware to catch splatter. Induction is the most energy-efficient cooking technology and may qualify for a government energy-saving rebate. A great way to check if your current cookware will work with induction, simply place a refrigerator magnet on the bottom of your pot or pan. If it sticks, it'll work great with induction. And now on to tip 4, clear the air. A busy kitchen is often filled with the aromas of home-cooked meals, which can be wonderful, but lingering odors, steam, and smoke from cooking will need to be properly removed from the room. A range hood is required for proper ventilation, but considering the range of styles available today, it's an important design choice in the kitchen as well. So let's look at the types of ventilation available and how they remove air from the kitchen. Updraft. An updraft vent system is a hood or venting microwave that hangs over the stove. They are effective for removing air because they are located directly above the cooking surface. Downdraft. A downdraft is a type of hood that pulls air down through a ducting and is exhausted to the outside. It is typically purchased as a separate appliance that gets installed behind the cooktop. Downdrafts are a great option when your cooktop is mounted on an island, especially when you want to preserve the view. When exhausting air to the outside of the home is impossible or impractical, duct-free recirculating hoods bring filtered air back into the kitchen. Recirculating hoods require regular filter changes to maximize performance. Tip 5. Smart cooking technology. Cook better and clean better, and save time with cooking modes and smart technology. Smart appliances are appliances that use Wi-Fi connectivity to improve the user experience in a meaningful way. In-oven cameras let you see what's happening in your oven from your smart device. Built-in recipes provide tailored meals that appeal to everyone's preferences. Your guided cooking appliance is now your in-home culinary coach, and it takes the guesswork out of preparing your favorite meals. Voice control features allow for touchless operation using only a smart speaker. And lastly, remote monitoring tracks your appliances from your smart device and sends notifications when cooking is complete. Tip 6. Ask the appliance experts. There's a lot to navigate when it comes to bringing the perfect cooking space to life. The appliance professionals at AjMadison provide unmatched expertise when it comes to choosing the right range, cooktop, oven, or induction surface that exceed the wants and needs of the modern family. You can also go to ajmadison.com for how-tos, top picks, and buy-in guides to help you start your journey in constructing the perfect kitchen setup. Standing by each customer from the point of purchase through the life of the appliance, it's easy to see why AjMadison is the leading online retailer of top-rated home appliances.